TPDC, indexable drill for high-precision, high-feed machining and rapid hole production. Utilizing the latest optimized chip forming system, Carlo TPDC provides high-precision performance and enables high-feed machining with excellent chip evacuation. TPDC, one-stop clamping system. The TPDC series features Carlo's latest R&D excellence as it offers great robustness, stabilized machining flow, and rapid setup time alongside a convenient guide to help in changing tools. This clamping system enables quick change of insert without having to remove the holder from the equipment. Applying an optimal wide material scope edge, TPDC has reduced chances of chip formation and has also drastically reduced cutting resistance. High helix angle to heavily reduce cutting resistance and improve all-around machinability. Spiral-shaped cooling holes for reliable chip evacuation. Total through-flute polishing greatly improves chip evacuation. Through our special patented surface treatment holder and mounting face, its durability has placed us ahead of our competitors. TPDC has excellent penetration and centering capabilities, which ensures superior accuracy in bore diameters. As well as guaranteed results with stabilized chip formation, delivering higher quality and smoother services. Experiencing a high-precision, high-feed machining solution with TPDC's indexable head drill. Carlo,